So, are you new to crypto or are you a beginner? Well, it's important for you to know some basic things that are important about crypto before you invest your money or before you dive right into cryptocurrency, right? So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 things you must know about crypto as a beginner. And I'm sure with this knowledge, you'll be able to have some good understanding about cryptocurrency and you'll be able to know the next steps to take from there. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share to your friends, and let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you need to know is what is cryptocurrency. I think that is basic. Before you say you want to start investing in cryptocurrency, you want to learn about cryptocurrency, you need to understand what exactly is this cryptocurrency everybody is talking about. So as the name implies, as the name sounds, crypto and currency. Crypto means is cryptography, is a form of, it's like a form of security, right? Then currency, as we know, is money. So cryptocurrency is a digital money, virtual money, or a virtual currency that is protected by cryptography, basically. So it is protected using a kind of algorithm, right? And this means that nobody is controlling it. It's not controlled by any government or any personal singular person. It is built on a technology called blockchain technology that stores transactions. So nobody can change the transaction, nobody can control it. It is just there, right? And it's a digital currency. And some examples of cryptocurrency, like you already know, is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, and so on and so forth. So these are examples of currency that are digital currencies. Now, second thing you need to know about crypto as a beginner is blockchain technology. You need to know about blockchain technology, right? So blockchain technology is a method of storing records or keeping records, keeping transaction without changing it, and it is a transparent form of storing transaction. So that means anybody can see what transaction, when it happened, the amount that took place, and how it happened, and everything is transparent and cannot be changed by anybody. That's like a technology. So that's the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's on this technology that we build this digital currency. So this blockchain technology enables integrity. It ensures integrity and transparency, and it ensures that nobody can just go and change any transaction, right? Or go and lie that, oh, this thing did not happen, I didn't send it. So it's a clear form of transaction and record. Third thing, number three, that you need to know about cryptocurrency is that you need to know what wallet is. You need to know about wallet and private keys. So what is a wallet? Now, just like a physical wallet, a wallet in cryptocurrency is a digital software, a software that you can use to store your cryptocurrencies. You can send, you can receive, and you can store your money, right? So that's basically what a wallet is. And there are different types of wallets in crypto. We have cold wallet, we have hot wallet. So cold wallet is the one that is not connected to the internet, to the digital space. Can even be an hard drive, like a flash drive. So you just store it. While the hot wallet is one that is connected to the internet, right? So you download the software. Now, second, another thing is private key. What are private keys? So wallet and private keys, they go hand in hand. A private key is like a password, but it's not just a password, it's more than that. It gives you access to your wallet, and it's the most important thing about that wallet. Anybody that have access to your private keys have access to your wallet and can take any money, no matter the amount that is inside that wallet. That's what private key, that's how important private keys are. So when you are getting a wallet, they will give you your private keys. Sometimes there are seed phrases, like 12 seed phrases. Sometimes it's a very long word that you have to store very carefully in one place that nobody knows. So you store it offline, write it down somewhere and keep it. So even if you lost your phone or you delete the app by mistake, so far you have that private key, you can always log in back into any device anytime, anywhere. Now, number four thing you need to know as a beginner is crypto exchanges. What are crypto exchanges? Because you are going to be hearing a lot of times exchange, crypto exchange. What are these things? So an exchange is a like a marketplace, the place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So you know there are different types of cryptocurrencies like I mentioned before. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Ripple, Cardano, Pi, and so on and so forth. There are thousands and even millions of cryptocurrencies. So an exchange is like a place where you can get Bitcoin, you can get each of these different cryptocurrencies that you want to get at any time you want, right? So example of exchanges are Binance, OKX, Bybit, BitGet, MEX.io, Gates.io, Crypto.com, and so on and so forth. These are exchanges where you can get these cryptocurrencies. Number 5 thing you need to know about crypto as a beginner is security measures. You need to know about security information, security measures, because there are some things you need to do and there are some things you should not do as you are into crypto, right? Now, one of those things is when you are creating accounts on your exchange, like your exchange or your wallet, you use strong passwords. You must use a very strong password, like a password that is long and has numbers, letters, signs, symbols, long password basically. Then you must also enable two-factor authentication. That's for your exchanges like Binance. That means if somebody wants to log in into your cryptocurrency exchange, they need to get approval from you. So that's like two-factor authentication. We learn more about that later on. Then you must also be careful of scammers. There are some people that pretend to be exchanges. They can send you email that, oh, we are from Binance and we are trying to resolve an issue with your account. They will now put a link there. So if you click on that link and you log in your account on it, or you put your seed phrase, or you do anything, you might just lose all your funds. There are a lot of scammers in this cryptocurrency space, so you have to be careful what link you click, what you do, and where you are doing it. Basically, you have to be very careful and very security conscious. You will check about the news. There are a lot every day, almost every day people are losing money. This year alone, I was reading the news. I was reading the news about from January to April 2025, the amount of money that has been lost in crypto due to scammers, hackers and all, is over $2 billion. That's over $2 billion. About $1.5 billion alone was lost during Bybit. Bybit was hacked this year recently, and they lost about $1.5 billion. So this space is very dangerous. There are a lot of people trying to steal your money. So you want to protect your assets. Be very careful with what you do, how you do it, and always make your research before doing anything. Last thing, number 6 that you need to know about cryptocurrency as a beginner is that you need to know about this market, the market volatility. So you need to know that market goes up and down. One day if you buy, let's say you buy Bitcoin and you buy it with an amount of money. Today you see the money at a particular price, tomorrow you see it can be higher, it can be lower. So every day the market keeps going up and down, up and down. So you must at least have understanding about this and don't say, oh, because your money has gone down, you quickly go and remove your money, right? You will lose money that way. So you need to understand the market, how it moves, what causes the market to move. Some of the things that cause market to move are investors. Sometimes it's news about the government, about different countries. Sometimes different things cause markets to move, right? So you need to understand that market goes up and down. If you want to invest your money, research very well before you put your money inside any project. And when you put your money in that project, keep the money there and don't sell until you are in profit. Don't sell at loss. Most times, there are sometimes you have to sell at loss, right? Because the the project might just dip, or the coin might just keep going down. But you invest in those top coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, then you just know that you are keeping it, and the doesn't matter what the market does, you are in good hands. So those are the 6 things you need to know as a beginner in crypto. And also there are some other things or bonus that you should know about. Number one is always do your research, always get informed. This cryptocurrency space is always evolving. You need to always stay informed, stay in the know what is going on. Join crypto communities where other people are there, where you can ask questions, where you can learn about this space. And talking about crypto communities, I have a community. I have one on WhatsApp and I have one on Telegram. You can join my community. It's free. Just check the link in the description. Join my community. You can ask questions. We drop some updates here and there, and you can learn so much more about this space. And if you want more videos about cryptocurrency, all things crypto, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Then you have any questions, drop your questions in the comments. I will answer all your questions. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.